Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of women around the world: menopause. But this isn't your typical hot flashes and mood swings talk. We're going beyond the surface to tell you some hidden truths and empower you with knowledge you may not have known or heard about. Are you ready to hear the shocking truth about menopause? Are you tired of feeling confused and unprepared for this next chapter in your life? Stay tuned, this video is the one for you. For many women, menopause marks a significant shift in their lives. It's a time of hormonal changes, physical transformation, and sometimes emotional upheaval. But amidst the uncertainties, there's also immense power and potential for growth. This video is a labor of love, specially crafted to provide you with the information and support you deserve. We've consulted leading medical professionals, partnered with women who have walked this path before you, and poured our hearts into creating a resource that empowers, educates, and inspires. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So what exactly is menopause? Well, let's break it down. It's the natural end of menstruation, usually occurring around age 51. But there's more to it than just stopping your period. It's a biological shift, a hormonal roller coaster that signals the end of your reproductive years. There's a phase before menopause called perimenopause. Think of it as the warm-up act, a transition that can start years earlier and bring changes like irregular periods, hot flashes, and mood swings. So why is this such a significant phase? Because it's a time of immense transformation. You're shedding one stage of life and embarking on another, filled with newfound freedom, self-discovery, and the power to rewrite your narrative. Let's start with the most talked about symptom: those infamous hot flashes. These sudden waves of heat can be uncomfortable and disruptive, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Night sweats, where you wake up drenched in sweat, can add another layer of disruption to your sleep and overall well-being. But the emotional roller coaster is just as real as the physical changes. Mood swings, irritability, and anxiety are common companions during menopause, making you feel like you're on a never-ending emotional high-wire act. Now let's talk about the symptoms that often go unmentioned, like changes in libido. The decrease in estrogen can lead to less desire for intimacy, but that doesn't have to spell the end of your sex life. It's a time to explore new avenues and redefine what intimacy means to you. Vaginal dryness is another symptom that can be uncomfortable and even painful. But with proper lubrication and communication with your partner, you can still enjoy a fulfilling sex life. And let's not forget about urinary problems, which can range from increased frequency to incontinence. But here's the good news: you don't have to ride this roller coaster alone. There are things you can do to manage your mental health during menopause. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and resources, and let's explore some of them now. Prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Connect with your loved ones. Talk to friends, family, or join a support group for women experiencing menopause. Sharing your experiences can be incredibly empowering. Move your body. Exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your mental health, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide you with tools and support to cope with the emotional challenges of menopause. Did you know that diet can play a huge role in managing your symptoms during menopause? In fact, what you eat can significantly impact your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. Let's delve into the foods you can take and discover how to fuel your body for optimal health. Embrace the power of plants. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which can help manage symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and weight gain. Calcium, important for bone health, which becomes crucial during menopause. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and plays a role in mood regulation. Get your daily dose from sunlight exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Choose healthy fats. Don't shy away from healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They play a crucial role in hormone balance and overall health. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain excessive salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can worsen symptoms and contribute to weight gain. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for good health, especially during menopause. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Now it's time to debunk some common myths that may be holding you back. Let's empower ourselves with accurate information and fuel our bodies with the knowledge we need to thrive during this transformative phase. Myth 1. You need to cut calories drastically to avoid weight gain. Truth. While your metabolism may slow down during menopause, drastic calorie restriction can backfire. Aim for a balanced diet with enough protein and healthy fats to keep your body energized and metabolism functioning optimally. Myth 2. Soy is bad for your health during menopause. Truth. Soy is actually a valuable source of phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds with estrogen-like effects. These may help manage symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. However, moderation is key, so choose whole soy foods like tofu and tempeh over processed soy products. Myth 3. You can't enjoy your favorite foods anymore. The truth is, you can still enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. It's about making healthy choices most of the time and allowing yourself treats occasionally. Remember, a balanced and enjoyable diet is key to overall well-being. So ladies, let's ignore the myths as they have been busted and embrace the power of a healthy lifestyle during menopause. Menopause can be a time of physical changes and challenges, but here's another secret. Exercise can be your superpower. It's not just about weight loss, although that can be a bonus. It's about managing symptoms. Exercise can reduce hot flashes, improve mood, and boost energy levels. Building bone strength. Loss of bone density is a concern during menopause, and exercise can help prevent osteoporosis, reducing risk of chronic diseases. Regular physical activity can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and some types of cancer. Improving sleep. Exercising regularly can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Boosting self-confidence. Feeling strong and capable in your body can do wonders for your mental well-being. So, what are some great types of exercise for menopause? Here are a few ideas. Yoga. This gentle yet effective practice combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to improve flexibility, strength, and balance. It's also a fantastic way to manage stress and anxiety, common symptoms during menopause. Strength training. Building muscle mass helps maintain bone density and burns more calories, even at rest. Start with light weights and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Cardio. Whether you enjoy walking, running, swimming, or dancing, getting your heart rate up is essential for overall health and fitness. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. And for staying motivated to exercise, first thing is to subscribe to the channel, make it convenient. Reward yourself, find a workout buddy, set realistic goals, and make sure you find an activity you enjoy. Remember, in the beginning of this video, we talked about empowering you all with knowledge. Another gem I have for you all is natural remedies for making you healthier and happier in your menopause stage. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs like black cohosh, red clover, and chasteberry have shown promise in reducing hot flashes and other symptoms. However, it's crucial to consult your doctor before starting any supplements, as they may interact with medications or have side effects. Acupuncture. This ancient Chinese medicine practice can help manage a variety of menopause symptoms, including hot flashes, mood swings, and sleep problems. Acupuncture involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body, stimulating the nervous system and promoting healing. You could also experience some lifestyle changes like stress management. Chronic stress can worsen menopause symptoms. Techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help you relax and find inner peace. Sleep hygiene. Sleep disturbances are common during menopause. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and limiting caffeine and alcohol intake can significantly improve your sleep quality. Remember, while natural remedies and lifestyle changes can be helpful, it's crucial to consult your doctor before starting any new treatment, including herbal supplements. They can help you determine the best course of action based on your unique needs and health history. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of menopause. But before we wrap up, we want to invite you to share your experiences in the comments below. What has been your journey through menopause like? What challenges have you faced? And what has helped you navigate this phase? Remember, ladies, you are strong, capable, and deserving of a fulfilling life, both during and after menopause. Embrace the journey, explore your options, and know that you are not alone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more information and support on your menopause journey and overall health. And stay tuned for our next video, Top 10 Foods to Eat After 50, Anti-Aging Benefits, where we'll explore delicious and nutritious options to fuel your body and enhance your well-being. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss out.